Okay, you start the game for the first time. You are probably at the hub. And the first thing you're gonna do... Okay, you're gonna find some starving bandits and they want to get your food. Running. Make sure you are fast enough to outrun them. The bandits have only athletics first, so if you make sure you're faster than them, which is not problem in the early game, like immediately after starting the game, you should be fine. And you're gonna bring them right inside the hub or any other place. Guards, please help me. Where are the guards? Oh no. Finally! The guards will kill bandits for you. So you can also, when they're already fighting the guards, try to train your strengths as well. It is pretty neat, so you can get your combat up as well. Then you will loot all the things on them and sell them for the first money so you can get some bread and all the essential starting things like a backpack. You can do this to all the other things, like the starving bandits, normal dust bandits. Those are one of the most profitable, and the dust bandits also give a nice loot for the starting game. Okay, so we have some gurus fighting me, and let's see if the townspeople will help me. Okay, and as you can see, even gurus are getting fought by the townspeople, and this way you not only will get the early money, but also you will gain some skills by fighting them because they're so much stronger at that point than you. And from these kind of things, you can get a lot of meat, so you won't be hungry. And these animal skins sell for a very nice profit. How much food we get from all those gurus and also the animal skin? We have like 86,000 caps right now. By selling it, we nearly gained 4,000 caps, not selling the meat even. You can get nice profits for like first 3 to 4 minutes of playing this game. Hashish, that's more of the late game style of making money. And people are always fighting next to the hub. Sometimes you don't even have to do anything and stuff will happen. The second tip, copper ore mining. This is a copper ore right here where we are standing. It is still right next to the hub. Oh, excuse me? It is a bit dangerous as you can see, but if they attack you while you are mining this, you can bring them back to the hub. Get wrecked! As I was saying, you will mine the copper ore. Newbie tip, I totally didn't do it. So when you're mining, you have to click on the copper resource to get the output and take the copper from there. So you will take it like this, go back to the hub and sell it. But there is a much better place for all of this mining. Click M, here's the hub, and here's a city of stack. Click on the city of stack and go there. In a few seconds you will get there. A city of stack, a big city where you can get all your essential stuff like food, armor, everything else you need. And this place has few insane things. One amazing place very close to the town, a copper resource, good quality, but not only that. In the distance you can see iron resource and another copper resource, still not far away. Another iron resource right near the things. So you will take your new character, right? Get yourself a suitable backpack. Best for this is this backpack, this trader's wooden backpack, because you can stack things on top of each other. I have never, and I mean never, been attacked here. So it is great. You can chill, listen to podcasts, do other stuff while your person is mining. While he's doing it, he will increase his laboring skill, which is very useful for making more money in the future, or when you have your base. Maximum amount is 5 that this copper ore can hold. If it is at around 4, you will just right click a few times and it's all away, and you will continue till you have your backpack full of stuff. Be on the lookout for anything that's happening around you. You can loot some pretty amazing stuff as well. And why this place is so amazing and why is it important to have multiple resource ores around the city? You will do it not like I did. You will get more people ASAP. You will go to the bar here, here, and here and get more people as fast as you can, because they will pay for themselves exponentially by mining with you. Also, you have the animals going around, so you can pretty much get them to the guards to kill them for you, and you will get all the meat you will need. You're still mining a lot, but what's happening? It is night. And when it is night, your people don't work as fast, so you will take all the stuff and go back to the city. But it's night, all the shops are closed. You ain't gonna sell it. You will click the sneak and you will go around the city. Run! Why would you do such a thing? So first of all, it is night. You probably won't have enough places to sell all your stuff. The scopper sells for quite a nice profit, but this way you will also increase your skills. It will increase your stealth, which will be useful at the other step. It will increase also your athletics, and the most important of all, the strength. Strength is increased by carrying heavy stuff in Kenshi. As you can see, no one is stopping me. We are carrying 118 kilograms from 70. We are increasing our strength. You want to get this to as high as possible. This way, at the night, before all the shops are open, you will increase some of your most essential skills you can get. One more important thing, this is the Holy City. Holy Nation is here, and they kind of don't like older people. They don't like women and basically all the other races. The easiest thing is to have all white males. I know, but if you have people of color or women, you will need a holy flame. When they stop you and they're like, man, this person should be in jail, you're like, oh yeah, but they are my slaves, so you will show them this book, and they'll be alright. They will think like, this white male has all the slaves, so you have to be careful with that. Sun is rising, and it's time to sell all the stuff. You will do it probably longer, but from all this little amount of copper, you can get a pretty nice chunk without getting into any danger. And also buy some food if you need it, but I don't think you will. And who's there? A potential companion. As I said, get them as fast as you can. And if you're looking for backpacks, here is a backpack shop. You will talk to him and you can get some. Alright, this is basically everything I used to get from the early game to the mid game. Nothing else. Also, it will increase the most essential stats of your group. But you can do few other stuff in the early game. And you will once again wait for the night. I'm gonna attack unprovoked these bulls, and oh my god, they're coming. Alright, this is an OP spot. The guards will kill the bulls, no one get hurt, and you will get, oh my god, so much meat. You don't need to buy anything. A lot of bulls come this way, and sell all the animal skins and all the other stuff as well. Very profitable. Before it will become night, you will need few things for this. First of all, I presume you increase your stealth skills. Also, backpacks and some other stuff reduce your stealth skill. So get rid of those that decrease it and try to get those who increase it. But with the backpack, you will have to get Thieves backpack. In early game, you can get it in the hub. There's a Shinobi Tower. In the end, you will have to pay a fee to get inside and then buy the backpack. It is night, the shops are closed, and you can steal some stuff. You will start sneaking, right? So they don't see you. And first of all, I don't recommend it for the first time players, especially because you will probably get caught doing this and you will have to reload, or this won't be an efficient way to gain money. You will go to the building, someone here is sleeping. You will get to his stuff, you will open the stuff, try to find things to steal. Okay, right now we stop. Here you can see a stealing chance. I have a high thievery skill, so this is pretty high. I pretty much have no chance of getting caught. You will have it much lower. And as I found out, this part is tricky because as you can see, we are getting caught. If no one sees us, we are good. If someone finds us inside here, we are in trouble, so we'll probably have to reload. If the stealing chance is higher than 100%, you will steal it all the time. But there's a catch. When it is above 100%, you won't gain any skill, so you cannot train it. And if it is under, I found out, they pretty much catch you nearly all the time. Even if it is 95%, it is pretty gambling. So you can do one more thing that will increase your thievery skill, and that is by clicking out and clicking on stuff like this. You can pick them up and still increase your thieving skill, although it will take more time. This can be very and extremely profitable, like extremely profitable, if you steal the most expensive things. Like if you go to the armory, you can get some pretty insane stuff. However, the chance of getting you caught, it's pretty high. They won't like you. And when you get all the stuff, you cannot sell it in the same city. You will have to run, because if they try to search you, they will find the stolen goods. They will beat you down and put you away, stealing all your stuff. Not so good. And I know you're probably very good at this game already, so you won't get caught, but I pretty doubt it. So this is a bit cheaty in a way. You will get caught in some point. and I think you will reload it. So this method is so much better. If you save before stealing, and then if something bad happens, reload it, but it's get to the cheaty point. If you want to do it the right way, you will start stealing only the small stuff so you can increase your thievery skill, and later steal only things that are 100% above. But even then, sometimes the shopkeeper will get up and will call to you. You will have two options. Run away, but then they won't like you and you will have bounty on your head, or you can reload it, but that is on you. This is the 3 things I recommend doing in order in the early game to get some money. Lure some bandits to get their stuff and sell it so you can get the early stuff you need. Then you can get all the money by mining all the stuff. Copper is most profitable. Iron a bit less, but it's if you have more people, mine both things. Also, thievery is one of the most profitable thing you can do, but it's borderline cheaty because, as I can say, I sometimes reload it because sometimes it was BS, but then it starts to get a bit cheaty, so it is up on you if you will do so. But of course, there are more ways to gain money. For example, buying illegal goods. But how will you do such a wonderful thing in the early game? A swamp biome here. Here you can buy illegal goods like hashish and then sell them for marked up price in, for example, United Cities. But again, it is not legal, so you have to be careful so the guards won't search you. But I guess that's the more advanced stuff when you will learn the basics of this game. Other stuff is ancient places have insane loot that you can sell for insane prices, but they are dangerous. And all the other stuff you can find around the map can be extremely profitable, but those things are nowhere near as reliable as the other stuff I showed you. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you will be able to make some good money in the early game. And by the way, I'm 60 hours into my playthrough of Kenshi and I'm still using some of these methods, pretty much the stealing, so they will carry you quite a long way. I hope you enjoyed, guys. If you want something else, let me know and I will see you next time. Ciao ciao and take care.